Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Snapchat is up to date and your phone is awake. This avoids hidden menu changes. Once done, open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left. From there, tap the gear icon for settings. This is the first actionable step toward notification control. Make sure you have the exact account open if you manage multiple logins, because notification settings apply per account, and you want to mute only the intended profile. Now in Settings, scroll to Notifications and tap it. This reveals every alert type Snapchat sends. To mute only the sound, toggle off sounds. This preserves push banners while removing audio, which is the only way inside the app to stop noise without disabling notifications entirely. Once you flip sounds off, test by asking a friend to send a snap. If you want visual cues, keep banners or vibration enabled so you still see alerts silently. Finish by confirming changes and testing. Send yourself or have a friend send a snap to verify the sound is gone. If you still hear noise, make sure your phone's media and notification volumes aren't overriding app settings, and check that Snapchat has notification permission. If the sounds toggle won't stick, force close Snapchat and reopen, or reinstall the app as a last resort. If problems persist, reboot your device. That clears lingering audio processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.